Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have an update and an unboxing video, and in this video I'm going to update you for the Lattafa Qaa'ed Shabaab update, and also unboxing of Dunhill Gold, Dunhill Desire Gold. So let's start with the update. So as I said in my unboxing for, or first impression for the Lattafa Qaa'ed Shabaab, which is not be mistaken for Al Qaa'ed, the original. This one is a green bottle. The presentation is top notch, especially for the money, unbelievable. And I am very happy to say this is a beast mode. Yes, beast mode. Yes, this is a beast mode. 12 hours plus, on clothes goes for days. I could still smell it. I put some on my neck and it went on my t-shirt, and the smell of that perfume still there, very strong after 3 days. So it is a beast mode, 12 hours plus on the skin, even longer on me, went around 14 to 15 hours easy. Projection, very good projector for 4 to 5 hours, huge room filler. You don't need more than 3, 2 on the neck, 1 on the chest. I put 4 or maybe more, yeah, I put 4 on the neck and it was choking me. It was so strong, so be careful. It's very, very strong. In the beginning is one of those perfume you think, oh okay, it's not a huge performer, it's a little bit, it hasn't started yet, okay? So when it starts after a few minutes and it just keep going, and it's getting stronger and stronger. It was so strong, my wife said, nah, let's go and have a shower after. This is after what, 8-9 hours. I put it on in the morning. In the evening she said, go and have a shower because I can't eat, basically. Your perfume is so strong, I can taste it in my mouth, so please go and wash it. So I had to go and have a shower just to get rid of it. It's so strong. So beast mode, yes. Projection, sillage, huge, massive, especially for 20 quid or under 20 pounds. This is bargain. So for the smell, this is mainly about leather. So if you like leather, this is up your alley. But leather is quite animalic, is earthy, is dusty, is a bit smoky, tiny bit, not much. But it is a realistic leather, so it is quite pungent, it is animalic. It's like a worn leather jacket or worn leather seat. So if you don't like these kind of things, this is not for you. But if you like it like me, I love the smell of it. And also, there are 3 big players in this. The other things are in the background, okay? First thing first is the leather. Okay, so leather is the biggest player. Second is going to be patchouli. The patchouli is giving an earthy, dusty, and also a little bit of chocolatey feel, okay? Not much, a little bit. And also the oud. Oud comes out later on, after maybe 30 minutes, an hour. In the dry down, the oud gets stronger and stronger. So this is a combination of leather, patchouli and oud. And there are other players like a little bit of floral feel, little bit of dry fruit feel, and also a little bit of spiciness, a little bit of incense, but not much. So these 3 players are the biggest player. If you don't like these kind of fragrances, the combination of patchouli, leather and oud, which is very, very pungent, it's very, how shall I put it, it's like animals, it's like barnyard, okay? So it's very barnyardy. In the beginning it's not much, when it opens up you don't think it's going to be like this, although it opens up very, very strong leather. But the leather in the beginning is presentable, but later on it gets stronger and stronger. The oud gets stronger and stronger. patchouli gets stronger and stronger, and that's why it gets more pungent by the time goes on. So this is one of those fragrances that you need to like. Pungent fragrances, you like strong fragrances, you like fragrances that punch you in the face and is relentless, just keep going, as I said, 12 hours plus, easy, at least on my skin. Okay, on your skin it might differ depending on your type of skin and also weather and the climate. Okay, so for me this is 100% recommendation for people who like this kind of fragrances. I love it to bits. It was a big surprise for me. I didn't expect it to be this good, and for me is beautiful. As I said, some people might not like it because of that pungent, animalic, earthy, dusty feel to it. Okay, alright guys, so that was the update for Lattafa Qaa'ed Shabaab. Age, this is definitely 25 and up to be on the safe side. Occasion, this is all year round. It's better suited for cooler weather, but again, if you control the trigger, you can wear it in the summer as well. Maybe not in the very hot day of summer because it's quite pungent, but if you put one spray on the chest in the summer, this is absolutely gorgeous. The occasion is going for good for going out. It's formal, but if you're like me, I wear my fragrances anywhere I like, anytime I like, so it doesn't matter to me. But if you want recommendation, yes, this is formal, this is cooler weather. And what else? This is absolutely bargain for the, you know, the quality of the packaging of the bottle. And also the smell and the performance and the sillage and the projection and everything is top notch. So it's absolutely very good value for money. Okay, so let's go to the unboxing of today, and this is unboxing of, this one is quite well known in the community. Many people recommended this because here we go again. Creed Aventis number 767. This is inspired by Creed Aventis, but many people say because it's done by House of Dunhill, is done very well. Okay, so let's see how that goes. So as you can see, the box is a standard Dunhill Desire box, nothing special, but it does the job perfectly. That protects the bottle. Sorry about the noise. When you do unboxing, you can't do much. Okay, so very cute gold all round, and look at the bottle, so blingy. This is super bling. If you like your bling, this is up your alley. My goodness me, look at that, super bling. It's very cute bottle, obviously gold everywhere, and it's quite a nice, beautiful looking bottle, and it goes like a cigarette lighter because obviously Dunhill, it's a company that they started with making cigarette lighters and also cigars and accessories for that hobby. I think about 150 years ago, something like that, and then slowly they started to diversify to other things, and perfume is one of them. So how is the sprayer? The spray on Dunhill is always good. Oh, this hand, because on this hand I got the Shabaab. The spray is not bad, but it's not very good. It's not that good either. Okay, so first Sniff for Dunhill Desire Gold. Yes, we have another Creed Aventis. It's like we have shortage of copies or inspired or clones of Creed Aventis, and this is another one. But as many people say, well, this is first Sniff anyway, but as people said, this is done very well. So this is, at the moment, for the first Sniff, it's a fruity side of Creed Aventis. There's almost no smokiness, but the DNA is there. It's like almost identical to Creed Aventus, okay? But the opening is very gorgeous. It's no syntheticness, at least to my nose. There's not much alcohol in there, and there's no harshness. It opens up very smooth and is quite sweet, and also the quite similar to opening of Creed Aventus. This is one of the things I always say in my videos about Creed Aventus clones, that almost nobody can make the opening of Creed Aventus, because that beautiful citrusy, sweet manliness that Creed Aventus has is almost nobody can replicate. But in this one, it's quite close to it. Yeah, it's quite close. Again, it's not the beginning is not like 100% like Creed Aventus, because that one, as I always say, that one is such a beautiful opening. But if you like clone of Creed Aventus, and if you want something that much smoother, better done, the mixture is very, very good here. So for a first impression, for a first sniff, this is very, very good. And as I always say in my videos, if you like Creed Aventus DNA, like me, I love Creed Aventus DNA, and I don't think it's worth £400 for a 100 ml bottle. These alternatives, or these clones or inspiration made by these companies, are absolutely value for money, because again, I paid less than £40 for this. I'll leave in the description where you can find it for the cheapest. Hopefully, I'm not affiliated, just for your convenience. I believe the both in there, because you know, if you want to do your research, you can do that. But again, for the beginning, for the first sniff, and for what it does for the money, mamma mia, you cannot go wrong. Yeah, I'm very, very happy with it. Almost identical to Creed Aventus. Okay. Alright guys, so in the next video I'll give you the updated performance and development and things like this. But right now it's very strong, so it smells very good and it's strong and it's very smooth, and there's no harshness in the beginning. So that's a very good news for Dunhill Desire Gold. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. If you like what I do, if you find them informative, if you find them useful, if you find my videos entertaining somehow, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, and share it with other people. This way you help me to expand my channel, and I'll be grateful. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.